Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to personalize notifications on Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus smartphone. First, open Settings application on your device, then navigate down to Notifications menu. In Notifications menu, first of all, select App Notifications to select which applications on your smartphone you want to receive notifications from. To add an application to the list, switch the toggle to the right next to it to allow the notifications. Then here you can, in the applications menu, you can adjust the notification style. For example, the screens where you want to see the notifications, so whether or not you want to see them on the lock screen, whether or not you want to see app icon badges for this app, and also the notification pop-ups. And you can also adjust the notification pop-up style, change whether or not you want to show or hide content when your screen is locked. And generally, to customize all of your notifications, return to the notifications menu. Here in the notifications pop-up style, you can change the pop-up style for all the notifications on your smartphone. You can choose between brief and detailed style. And also, if you want to enable lighting effect when you receive a notification on your smartphone, tap right here and select one of the available effects. They also have some advanced customization features for each of them, which you can check out in this menu. And you can also select whether or not you want to show brief pop-ups even when the screen is off. Now for hide content while locked menu, you can select whether or not you want to see the content of your notifications when your screen is locked by selecting the respective option. Also, in sort and filter notifications, you can choose how you want to sort notifications, either by time or by priority. And you can also select which notifications you want to filter by switching the toggle next to the ones that you do. And in appearance section, we can change the appearance for status bar, for notifications on the status bar. We can change the appearance for the lock screen notifications in this menu. And also in advanced settings menu, we'll also have many different customization features. For example, whether or not we want to show app icon in notifications, whether or not we want to our phone to suggest actions and replies for notifications, to show or not to show the snooze button, and also the way we want the floating notifications to pop up. And the rest of the customization features are also in here. So that's basically how you customize notifications on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus smartphone. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.